Traditional microinverter installation can be complicated and difficult. Now with Hoymild's Flex Series, you can save your installation time by 70%. You only need 1 or 2 accessories for a single microinverter system and 6 accessories for a multi-microinverter system. Let's see how easy the Flex installation is. Four lengths of connection cable cover all the needs of your system. The accessories need no additional assembling. They're ready to use straight away. It's easy to expand your system too. All HMS microinverters are compatible, and they're built to perform flawlessly, even in the most severe weathers. Flex, making microinverter installation easier.